In this video, I'll show you how to turn off automated ad assets in Google Ads so you can have more control over what appears alongside your ads. Automated assets are features that Google may generate automatically, such as site links or callouts, to enhance ad visibility. While these can sometimes improve performance, some advertisers prefer to manage assets manually to maintain consistent messaging and branding. To start, open your Google Ads account and go to the Campaigns section from the left navigation menu. Then select Assets to access the area where ad extensions and enhancements are managed. At the top of the asset table, look for the More menu, often shown as a three-dot icon, and choose Account Level Automated Assets. This section shows automated assets that can apply across your account. From there, open the More menu again and select Edit Advanced Settings. Here you'll find options to disable specific automated asset types that you don't want Google to generate automatically. After reviewing the options, save your changes so the settings apply across your campaigns. Keep in mind that turning these off means your ads will rely mainly on the assets you create manually. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.